Hi guys, welcome to another video from paintandhardware.com. This is Namit Bulani. I am from Bangalore and I own a hardware store in Bangalore. I am an engineer by qualification and now I am a tradesman by profession. So we deal in all kinds of construction materials, tools, plumbing materials, paints. So a lot of things going on at the store. You are welcome to walk down anytime. It's on Modi Hospital Road, right next to Kadamba restaurant. So today we have here forged bipcock from Viking. This is a forged bipcock out of brass, and it has a gate wall instead of a normal spindle. So say that what is the advantage of a gate wall? So you see, when the gate wall is in the open position, the water can flow through without any obstruction. Whereas in a normal tap, what you will find that there is a spindle. The water has to flow through the spindle and come through the outlet. That is quite a restricted flow, and this is a very open flow. So this gate wall works with the ball. You can see it here, the ball rotating there. You see, this tap also has a nozzle for connecting any hose in this, and this tap is made fully of brass and it is sandblasted and given a nickel finish. You can also open the front nozzle if you want to do any maintenance or cleaning. Washer can be replaced. Keeping this filter is a personal preference. If you want, you can keep this filter or you can remove it. Personally, I prefer to keep the filter so that there is no debris going into the hose and clogging it and then causing further problems. As you see, it's very simple to assemble back also. And this tap is a nice addition to your garden, or say you want to wash your cars, want to wash your terrace. It's very nice and convenient. Unlike a tap where you have to keep fiddling around, opening it, closing it, get spoiled. You see that gate wall will have a longer life and it will give you a better pressure flow of water also. So all in all, a very nice tap from Viking. So until next time, please do watch our other videos too. They are quite informative about tools, paints, hardware, you name it and we have it. So please do give us a like, subscribe if you like our videos, and do leave your comments what do you think about this tap, and please let us know what kind of videos you would like to see also. Thanks. Until next time, see you again.